M.C. Escher created incredible mathematical art through repetition, geometry, perspective, reflection, symmetry, tessellation, light and shade. Escher sucked us into his pictures that challenge our brain's assumptions and perceptions. Unlike surrealists, for whom the other wordy is obvious at first glance, Escher's images become puzzling after closer examination. Escher, who started out as a graphic artist, brought art and maths together. His art added a human element to abstract mathematical ideas. Now it's time to see wonderful creations innovated with mathematical ideas of M.C. Escher. Tessellations. Regular divisions of the plane called tessellations are arrangements of closed shapes that completely cover by plane without overlapping and without leaving gaps. Escher, however, was fascinated by every kind of tessellation, regular and irregular tessellations. Whether or not this is fair to the mathematicians, it is true that they had shown that of all the regular polygons, only the triangle, square, and hexagon can be used for a tessellation. Escher exploited these basic patterns in his tessellations, applying what geometries would call reflections, glide reflections, translations, and rotation to obtain a greater variety of patterns. The first of the examples presented here, titled Regular Division of a Plane with Birds, uses a tessellation with triangles. The second example, Development 1, uses a square tessellations to emphasize the nature of the underlying pattern. The last two examples each are a hexagonal tessellation. The regular solids known as polyhedra held a special fascination for Escher. He made them the subject of many of his works and included them as secondary elements in a great many more. There are only 5 polyhedra with exactly similar polygonal faces, and they are called the Platonic solids. The tetrahedron with 4 triangular faces, the cube with 6 square faces, the octahedron with 8 triangular faces, the dodecahedron with 12 pentagonal faces, and the icosahedron with 20 triangular faces. In the woodcut 4 regular solids, Escher has intersected all but one of the Platonic solids in such a way that their symmetries are aligned, and he has made them translucent so that edges. Interesting solids are also represented in many of Escher's works. One of the most interesting being the wood engraving stars. Here are solids constructed of interesting octahedra, tetrahedra, and cubes, among many others. The shape of space. Among the most important of Escher's work from a mathematical point of view are those dealing with the nature of space itself. Inspired by a drawing in a book by the mathematician H.S.M. Coxeter, Escher created many beautiful representations of hyperbolic space, as in the woodcut circle limit 3. Even more unusual is the space suggested by the woodcut's necks. Here the space heads off to infinity both towards the rim and towards the center of the circle, as suggested by the shrinking interlocking rings. In addition to Euclidean and non-Euclidean geometries, Escher was very interested in visual aspects of topology, branch of mathematics. Another very remarkable lithograph called Print Gallery explores both the logic and the topology of space. Here, a young man in an art gallery is looking at a print of a seaside town with a shop along the docks. Third type of impossible drawing relies on the brain's insistence upon using visual clues to construct a three-dimensional object from a two-dimensional representation. And Escher created many works which address this type of anomaly. The logic of space. Escher understood that geometry of space determines its logic, and likewise, the logic of space often determines its geometry. In the lithograph, cube with ribbons, the bumps on the bands are our visual clue to how they are intertwined with the cube. However, if we are to believe our eyes, then we cannot believe the ribbons. By introducing unusual vanishing points and forcing elements of a composition to obey them, Escher was able to render scenes in which the up and down and left and right orientation of its elements shift, depending on how the viewer's eye take it in. In this lithograph, waterfalls, two Penrose triangles, have been combined into one impossible figure. One sees immediately one of the reasons the logic of space must preclude such a construction. As we all know that maths is prevalent in almost all walks of life, today we have seen the importance of mathematics in arts. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you.